Hey everybody, it's Lisa. I'm going to do a holiday home tour today of Halloween, and it's 57 days till Christmas, so Halloween is in 2 days from today. Super excited about that, and I'm going to show you what I've done to my house. So here we go. First thing, got this awesome iron candle holder at a garage sale for $2. I was pretty proud of that. And then I made these adorable wreaths to hang on my shutters. There's one over there as well. Going for the kind of the country look, as you can probably tell. And then over to here, we've got simple stuff. Got these little ghosts that I made with tissues, traditional ghosts, garland, and we've got some dollar store lighting there, and some pumpkins that I spray painted and posted tacks into to give them a little bit of oomph. And indeed, my little monsters do live here. Oh look, there they are right there. And a witch and her handsome devil. More garland. All right. On to this awesome bench that my husband made for me. Super excited about that. Decorated everything up really cute. Hobby Lobby fans here. Bats from Dollar Tree. Tin Halloween sign, Hobby Lobby. Garland from Hobby Lobby. And the orange lights came from Dollar Tree. Yard sale, score. Yard sale, score. I think I got those for like 50 cents. And then the rest of the pillows I made myself. And I don't sew, so these are all hot glue pillows with polyfill from Walmart. And then the webbing is a fireplace mantle cover thingy. I believe that was a Hobby Lobby. All right, and now this is my favorite spot. This is the fireplace area. A lot going on here. So I made this wreath from Dollar Tree flowers, purples and blacks with the little spiky looking things, I don't know, kind of like spiky dead branch things coming out of it. The bats here, those are Walmart little stickums. I love these witch's brooms. Got these witch's brooms at Trader Joe's. They were like $4. They reek of cinnamon, but in a very lovely way. So I have one of those on each side of the mirror. Got some spooky books from Walmart. This little gem, it's not focusing. This little gem was a score. My neighbor is getting rid of stuff because they're moving. And I got that one from them. And that one, nice little nod to the classic days. Got some Dollar Tree pumpkins, more spell books from Walmart. Picture frame from Walmart was in their regular picture frame section, not their Halloween section. And the photo was a cutout from a Dollar Tree decoration. Got one over here as well. Ooh, spooky. And Dollar Tree pumpkin. These guys were fun. I made these from the carvable pumpkins from Dollar Tree, along with that one and that one, and then that one. Put a hard pumpkin from Walmart on top, and these skeleton candle holders, just hot glued those together onto there. Back there's a little fence board pumpkin I made. Peekaboo. Halloween sign from Walmart. And I love this trick or treat sign. So cute. Can't remember now where it came from, but would have been super easy to make. So maybe I'll do a tutorial on how to make something cute like this in the future. Fence board ghosts, made those. So easy and so cute. And Madeline, my daughter, made this little pumpkin, which will turn into a snowman when it's winter. So cute. More carvable pumpkins I got from Dollar Tree. A spooky carvable pumpkin guy I made. Everything came from Dollar Tree. More pumpkins from Dollar Tree that I decorated. And then the pumpkins that our kids picked out to carve, which will probably be tomorrow. And these 3 pumpkins I got to make centerpieces for Thanksgiving for the table, but they work for here now too. So that's what everything looks like. I absolutely love this area. I'd love to show you what it looks like at night, but here we are during the day. So, and it's all coming down in 2 days for Thanksgiving. Woo! Can't wait to decorate for Thanksgiving. I'll show you guys what I do there too. And here's another reminder that it's 57 days until Christmas. All right, let's head to the kitchen. Super simple in here, not much going on. Tablecloth from a yard sale. I think it was $1, maybe less. Madeline made this spooky gingerbread house. Don't take a bite, it's got its eye on you. Thought she did a pretty good job. And I love these kitchen towels. I think I got these at Joanne's Fabrics, but I can't remember now. Super cute. Oh my god, and I'm so into the buffalo check, it's not even funny. And this little pumpkin towel. Last stop is the dining room. And I really love this area as well. I love it all actually. So here is the runner for down the table. All of these pumpkins were the carvable pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and I decorated them. And then little pumpkins on top, such as these, were either from Walmart or I don't know, some places like that, with the exception of these little white pumpkins that came from our local farm. Put all that together. Got those orange battery operated lights from Dollar Tree right here. Ah, timber. And the web runner came from Hobby Lobby. Let's just put that back where it goes. Okay. Over here, I hope you can see it because the lighting's going to be probably bright, but made another wreath to hang up there. And with the leftover fabric scraps, I made this burlap and fabric and ribbon garland. Uber duper cute. Love it. Love using leftover materials. I do not throw stuff away very often because look what you can do with it. Right, and my very favorite wreath is this ghost wreath. I absolutely love this ghost wreath. I went to a yard sale, got the wreath form at a yard sale. That's not working. Let's go back this way. The wreath form was free at a yard sale. And then at a different yard sale, I got this, oh, it's not focusing. I got this sheet at another yard sale for $1. Cut it into squares, washed it and dried it so that it would fray, and made these little ghosts, and they'll last forever. Unlike the garland up here, after a couple of seasons, it's probably not gonna last because they're actually made with tissues, but this wreath will last forever, like a ghost. Ha! Let's see if I can get it in closer. I really want you guys to get a good view of this one. Okay, so we've got the burlap bow and the buffalo check bow. I don't know why this is blurry. There we go. We've got the ghosts there. Go all the way around. I just think this thing is darling. Oh my God. And I think it looks really, 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 really great where I have it hanging. There we go. Ta-da. Okay. So there it is. I absolutely love it. So that's Halloween at my house. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.